There's a place I found.
Before starting the video, for those who haven't subscribed, it would be nice to subscribe first so this channel can grow. The project from the Arbitrum, for those who use crypto, does not need any presentation. For those at the beginning of the road in crypto, Arbitrum is one of the top blockchain layer 2 on Ethereum along with Polygon or Optimism. The super interesting part, and for whom I think you should pay close attention to the video, is that Arbitrum, although it works very well at maximum levels, it has not launched its own token. This is confirmed that it will happen in the future, and when it will be launched have confirmed that it will be airdrop for users. It is suspected that it will be among the largest, proportional to how much it has been expected. Polygon and Optimism made huge airdrops, and I don't think that Arbitrum will let itself be lower. Due to the fact that it is a complex project, we will divide the qualification tasks for airdrop into 4 parts. The newest tasks on the Galax, the part of domain name, Discord roles, and cross-chain bridge. Let's begin with Galax. You will find new tasks on Galax. I will leave the link in the description. The project is called OpenOcean. There are 16 swaps to do, and for each one you will receive an NFT. It is recommended to do them all because users who collect all Jacques NFTs will be recorded as OpenOcean supporters on Arbitrum. Another project on the Galaxy is called ZK Hold'em, which also has a campaign for Arbitrum. Something else relatively new is the BitKeep project, a super wallet that launches Arbitrum Futures airdrop and supports for exchanging Arbitrum. BitKeep has launched the Arbitrum Futures token, ARBK, airdrop events to support the ecosystem of Layer 2 and Arbitrum further. ARBK is the credential of Arbitrum token issued by BitKeep, and you will be 100% eligible to claim the official Arbitrum tokens by holding an ARBK airdropped from BitKeep and finishing corresponding tasks. I will leave the link for BitKeep wallet in the description. It is better to hurry because it is valid only for the month of March. Wallet as a new user, with a referral code you will receive 5 ARBK, plus the possibility to participate in other draws. Optimism, when he did the airdrop, he made the difference if you were a voter on DAO, if you donated on Gitcoin, and if you made transactions with multi-signature wallets. Like those, it's good to try to do the same things on Arbitrum too. After that there it's NFT, the more you have better it is. You can obtain on Galax for the support given to the projects in the ecosystem or buying them. Here are at least 2 that would be must-haves. One is Odyssey Arbitrum, which you can find on OpenSea for about $20, and the one that can make the difference is a limited edition of only 1,000, namely Arbitrum Genesis, the first NFT minted on Arbitrum, free at mint, that are now sold for about $500. The second chapter in this video is about domains. All projects are in a hurry to make one, so it should be the next thing in crypto. As you may already know, crypto wallet addresses are long strings of random numbers and case-insensitive letters that are easier to remember with tools. An identifier is created to solve this issue. While there are several Web3 identifiers available on Arbitrum, the first and only, as of now, identifier is Arbitrum ID. It is a name service provider built on the Arbitrum network that aims to revolutionize decentralized identities in the ecosystem. It's important to note that on-chain interactions, including minting an Arbitrum ID domain name, do not guarantee a spot for Arbitrum's airdrop. Thus, to maximize your chances of receiving the airdrop, the catch is to interact and participate in as many projects as possible within the Arbitrum ecosystem. Additionally, obtaining an Arbitrum ID domain name may also potentially qualify you for Space ID's airdrop, a decentralized identity project invested in by Binance Labs, the incubation program of the world's largest crypto exchange, Binance. Link in description. The second guide of the Arbitrum series will walk you through the process of getting all the Discord roles in the official Arbitrum community. Discord, or DC for short, is a platform where you can connect with other community members, acquire information, ask questions, and exchange ideas. While obtaining all the DC roles does not guarantee that you will receive Arbitrum's airdrop, it is still worth a try. Keep in mind that there are costs associated with obtaining all the roles, so please proceed with caution. Using a PC or laptop is recommended for completing the guide. Most roles require you to hold a small number of tokens. You don't need to swap those tokens individually, as a smart contract has been developed to purchase all the requested coins in one go. Before accessing the smart contract, you need to have ETH on Arbitrum. You can bridge your ETH as shown in the first guide or use BitKeep Swap to complete cross-chain swaps effortlessly while enjoying the best price. For the Arbirum role, you can purchase the required NFT at BitKeep NFT Market. The cost may vary depending on the NFT floor price. BitKeep is currently running a 6-month zero trading fee campaign to support the development of the Arbitrum ecosystem. Stay tuned for the next guide on purchasing NFT on the Arbitrum mainnet. For the Elk Fam and Swapper Fam roles, you can click on the purchase button to buy these two tokens directly. It costs approximately $2, including gas fees. It takes approximately 15 to 30 minutes to complete this guide, an easy one, I would say. Remember, claiming all the DC roles involved costs and do not guarantee you Arbitrum's airdrop, but it is worth trying. Now, everyone is eagerly searching for the next big thing, hoping to find the next opportunity to get their hands on some airdrop tokens. The buzz in the town is all about the Layer 2 mainnets, namely Arbitrum, zk-Sync, and Starknet. In this video, I present you with the ultimate guide that can help you maximize your chances of getting airdrops. But you'll have to hurry up because time is running out. Arbitrum 1 and Arbitrum Nova are the two Arbitrum mainnets, and both of them have their unique use cases. Arbitrum 1 is the go-to place for DeFi and NFT projects, while Nova is perfect for gaming and social applications. Since our goal is to interact with as many DeFi projects as possible, we'll be focusing on Arbitrum 1. Looking at previous successful airdrop projects like Optimism, we can see that making transactions on-chain is a crucial step to increase the chances of receiving the airdrop tokens. Optimism airdropped its native token, OP, to early users who swapped, bridged, donated, and voted on-chain. While we're not sure what the exact criteria for Arbitrum's airdrop will be, it's always a good idea to follow the example of past successful projects. So to speak, to increase our chances of receiving airdrop, we should actively transact on Arbitrum. Before making transactions on Arbitrum, you must have Ether, ETH, on the Arbitrum mainnet. The first thing you need to do is to bridge your funds to Arbitrum 1, and there are various options to do it. Let's get started and get those sweet airdrops. Bridge ETH from Ethereum mainnet to Arbitrum 1. There are a few different options available for you to bridge your existing funds to Arbitrum, depending on your preference. If you have the BitKeep wallet installed, either as a Chrome extension or on your mobile phone, you may simply bridge your funds to Arbitrum within the application. BitKeep Swap is a great feature that allows you to complete cross-chain swaps effortlessly while enjoying the best price. With Bridge, there are many possibilities, but you must use the official Arbitrum Bridge application at least once to transfer funds from Ethereum to Arbitrum. Otherwise, you can try other applications too. Wish you good luck catching big airdrops, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting projects. Next video should be about small market caps, new projects with many X possibilities.